This is the VSTM central control dock for the Tesla Model Y and the Model 3. This is for the newer models, 2025 and newer. This is a really great item. It's like actually a natural extension of the Tesla system right here. You can see if you close the cup holders right here, you would see it's just a seamless fit. It has this cover that closes it up. Just a really nice addition. So basically how this works is you're just going to open this up right here and just going to slide sideways, and it just slides in here really nice and easy. And underneath it's got a extension for the cigarette lighter adapter. Just fits in there nice and easy, and just has a really nice seamless look to it right here. I like the fact that it matches the Tesla existing items, and it just does exactly what it's supposed to do. Basically, you got two retractable cords right here. You got the lightning cable at the 30 watts, and you have the 65 watt for the USB-C right here. So if you have the brand new iPhone, you're going to use this one. If you have the older model, you're going to use this one right here. And each of these retract. So basically, if you're putting your phone up here, you're going to be able to get it up in charge while you're putting your phone up there. So basically, as you know, these wireless chargers in the Tesla work okay, but if you want some serious power, you're definitely going to want to check out one of these retractable cords right here. And then you have the extra USB, the regular one right here, and another USB-C connector right there. So I'm very pleased with this. Been using it for a while. It's got some really nice packaging it comes in. These are the instructions, very easy. Like I said, this is just a plug-and-play installation. It's take about 30 seconds to unbox and get it set up in your Tesla. And again, it just has a really nice, seamless look here. So absolutely want to check this out. It's the central control dock for the Tesla Model Y and the Model 3. Highly recommend picking one of these up.